Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing why this code exists and a tiny runnable example you can run now. Note the goal, expected inputs and outputs, and any types. Once done, paste 3 to 10 lines that reproduce the behavior, include imports and sample data. Make sure to name the file and add tags or headings for quick search. This makes later retrieval instant. You avoid rederiving the basics and save time when you return to the topic. You now build the middle. Structure notes into problem, solution, edge cases, complexity, and tests. For each solution, extract reusable patterns like helper functions, decorators, or context managers and show their minimal use. Explain why you chose the approach and list one alternative with pros and cons. Once done, add cross-references to related examples and short test snippets. This creates a compact knowledge map so you can apply patterns, not just copy. You finish by writing a concise summary and a one-line cheat sheet for quick recall. Make sure to tag the note with clear search terms and add a reproducible failing test case if a bug exists. Then commit or export the snippet to your chosen storage. If things go wrong, use a simple troubleshooting workflow. Bisect inputs, print types and shapes, isolate the code in the REPL, and rerun the minimal example. That single method will usually surface the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.